In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Echo Forecast indicator in TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you've got a chart open for any market you want to analyze. It could be stocks, forex, crypto, whatever you're trading. Once your chart is up on the screen, you'll want to look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. This is usually found in the toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all the built-in tools, community scripts, and premium indicators you can add to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar so it's active. Now, type in the Echo Forecast. Make sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can pull up the right indicator. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results in real time. Once you see the Echo Forecast indicator appear in the results list, simply click on it. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. You should now see new lines, curves, or forecast visuals overlaid on your price action, depending on how the indicator is designed. If it doesn't appear right away, double check that you selected the correct chart and that the indicator is actually turned on in your chart's indicator list. Next, let's fine-tune it. Hover over the name of the Echo Forecast in the list of active indicators, usually found at the top left of your chart, and click on the settings icon. This opens the settings panel for the indicator. Here, you can customize things like colors, line styles, and any specific parameters the indicator uses to generate its forecast. Take a moment to adjust these settings so they're visually clear on your chart and match your personal trading style. A clean, readable chart makes analysis much easier, especially when you're dealing with forecast tools. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for access to the Echo Forecast or any required plan, use the link provided in the video description. That link will guide you through the sign-up process so you can unlock the full functionality of the indicator and make sure it stays available in your TradingView Pro setup. And that's all you need to quickly and easily add the Echo Forecast indicator inside TradingView Pro.